80% of your child's brain is developed by age 3. How can we make the most of this important time as parents? Research shows that meaningful developmental experiences don't always happen on their own. We can help make them happen. That's why we created the Play Kits. So, what are the Play Kits? The Play Kits by Lovevery are a holistic system to support your baby's brain development. They're created by experts, designed in-house, Montessori-Inspired, tailored to your child's exact stage, and the only toys you'll need, really. How do we know? Because we research, test, and fine-tune every toy to be your child's favorite. We dig deep into the latest child development findings and partner with respected child development experts. We design prototypes, then bring them into families' homes to make sure they're the perfect challenge at the perfect time. We don't stop until we know your child will have so much fun with each play kit, they won't even realize they're learning, but you will, because they're thoughtfully and durably crafted without flashing lights or loud noises to engage your baby's senses without overloading you. How do the play kits work? Sign up and sit back. We'll keep conveniently delivering the right toys at the right time so you don't have to search online for answers, don't miss a developmental window with your child, can make the most of playtime together, and make meaningful memories. Every 2 to 3 months, you'll receive play essentials that are just right for your child's developmental stage, along with an in-depth activity guide for parents. These multi-purpose toys can be enjoyed now and in new ways as your child grows. What can the Play Kits do for you? Our award-winning playthings help you connect and play with your baby without needing to buy so much stuff. Less clutter and chaos in your home, more fun and learning. As parents, we buy so many essentials for our children. What could be more essential than supporting our baby's brains? The Play Kits by Lovevery can help you feel confident you're giving your child the best start, all while having so much fun.